See the snow really coming down around the D.C. area right now. You follow that storm all the way down to the Mississippi Valley. Got some nice rain through Nashville and over into northern portions of Louisiana there. Maybe some thunderstorms along it as well. We are lined up like a landing pattern at an airport here. We've got the storm tonight. We've got the one right behind it for about 24 hours or so from now, and then watching the weekend as well. These two storms are going to be fairly similar in what they give us, the types of precipitation that they give us. So let's talk about tomorrow, because we know we're not getting all that much, just a minor coating to, I would say, around an inch for places like Block Island, but for the mainland, probably not going to see anything above an inch. It's a slop storm. It's a messy storm. We start, though, with snow, and that will cause the road conditions to deteriorate quickly as we head into the midnight hour tomorrow. The northern portions of the area, the best chance to see 1 to 2 inches of that quick accumulation before it all changes to sleet and rain and starts to get washed away. But that's going to still keep the roads slippery through about 3-4 a.m. until those temperatures rise above freezing, and then the rain tapers off as we head into Thursday morning. There is a winter weather advisory for 3/4 of Providence County. Providence, Johnston, Cranston, not in that, but as you get up, say you're heading up 146 or out towards Route 6, Greenville, over to Scituate, Gloucester, Burrillville, Woonsocket, right around 295. Those are the areas that are going to have the greatest chance to not only get that 1 to 2 inch wet snow accumulation, but also potentially deal with some very minor freezing rain as we head into Thursday morning. So as you take a look at things heading into tomorrow night, it's a pretty cloudy day tomorrow, even after we see that storm pass to the south by tomorrow morning, maybe a quick break of sun, but it's mostly cloudy. And here we go. So snow beginning right around midnight tomorrow. Notice the changing color here on our palette on Futurecast. You can see the green and the pink starting to eke into the bottom of the screen here. And as we go through the middle of the night, 2 a.m., 3 a.m., 4 a.m., that rain snow line is going to transition north. But take a look, and this is, again, why you're seeing the Weather Service issuing that winter weather advisory for portions of Providence County. Look how it's still in the pink while everybody else has changed over to rain. Those temperatures shooting up above freezing. So, again, this is going to be our primary area of concern. But you guys, too, will also change to rain as the sun comes up on Thursday. It's a cloudy day. The rain will taper down to showers in the morning, and maybe we get some breaks of quick sun as it begins to set Thursday evening. But notice the temperatures. They are well into the 40s on Thursday. That's also going to lead to a lot of snow melt, and we'll have to watch then as we head into Friday, those temperatures back down below freezing. Refreeze is a concern. We get that break Friday into early Saturday, and then the next storm is arriving very quickly behind it, starting as snow. But again, watch the rain snow line to the south there. Gradually, that's moving northward as we head into Saturday night. And Sunday just looks like an all-day chilly rain. Not a very nice day, but do have some good signs towards the end of the 7-day forecast here as we head into President's Day. The sunshine is back. Same goes for Tuesday of next week, but it is very cold, down into the 20s for our daytime highs. And as we look ahead to the night times, could see those low temperatures between 5 and 10 degrees. So as I was saying before, this is, we really haven't had too much of that harsh cold here in February so far. That's what we're looking at for next week. Maybe finally, though, beginning to see a bit of a break in the active pattern, which would be
with the cold.
No, with the storms, with the active storms, the active jet stream.
When the cold comes, we'll see a break in the
I think so, because the air is going to be very dry at that point. It'll take a little bit more for any storms to form. Not to say that we won't see anything next week. I just think you're not going to have, because right now the pattern is storm, a day off, a day and a half off, maybe at most, and then the next storm comes right in after that. Yeah. So maybe we'll space it out a little bit more next week. But
the trade-off, though, is bitter cold.
The trade-off is bitter cold, yeah.